How easy is it to do affiliate marketing in 2022? What's up guys, my name is Trev, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys just how easy it is to do affiliate marketing in 2022. So if you find this video helpful, please be sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to my future videos. So with that being said, let's go right over to the screen and let's get started. So first things first, what we're going to try to do here is we're just going to go on Google, okay? And the reason we're on Google is because whatever your favorite type of topic is, or hobby, or whatever you think you want to sell or get into and start making money from, you just simply need to put that keyword into Google with the word affiliate behind there. So I'm going to show you right now just what I'm talking about. So if we come on Google and we want to type in dog affiliate, right? And let me just highlight this so I have to keep writing affiliate over and over again. We'll press enter right there. And right here, as you can already see, we got the 10 best dog affiliate programs, right? But we have dog.com, and even they have an affiliate right here. We got Fitbark, and they have an affiliate right here. So if we just come over here and just press on Fitbark right here, this would be the affiliate section. As you can see right here, right in the middle of the screen, it says become a Fitbark affiliate. And we go ahead and tap that. And as you can see here, they talk all about what being an affiliate is. Okay. And who this program is for, what is Fitbark. It gives you some information about this product, okay? And to see if this best fits for you, if this is something that you want to start selling, okay? And right here, as you can see, it says we offer qualified approved affiliates 12% starting commission rate, okay? Cookie duration during 60 days, all right? So that's awesome, okay? Now, if we wanted to get started with Fitbark, all we need to do is sign up right here, sign up today. You use a username, password, you know, and then you just continue with the steps right there. All right. And if we go back, let's say we wanted to do, I don't know, hair. Let's say you want to do a hair affiliate program. Here we go. And so you can see right here all of these ads right here. But if we skip the ads, and we can just go right down here to 𝘊𝗄𝗄𝗃. Look at this 𝘊𝗄𝗃𝗃 affiliate program right here. Okay. And you can just exit that, and you can read about it right here. This is all the information for you, okay? All of the benefits, okay? It's free to join. You will earn a commission on every purchase over $65 US, okay? And you just read all about this affiliate if you are interested in becoming an affiliate for this program, okay? And tells you, are you eligible for the requirements that you would need, 3,500 plus followers on Instagram, Okay, so sometimes affiliates, you have to be required to do what they're asking for in order to become an affiliate for that program. But if you fit the guideline, sometimes you don't have to do anything. But if you are right for it, all you would need to do is press sign up right here. And of course, you really want to be able to have your 35 plus Instagram followers or whatever the requirements is, because they will check. And all you would do is put your first name and last name and all of this information out that they required of you, and so you can join the program. And over here on the right hand side is more information for you as a benefit. Now, we don't have to just stop at hair affiliate programs. Let's continue. Let's try something different. Let's try, let's see here. Let's try Home Depot affiliate program. Check that out, guys. Now, I know all of you guys are familiar with Home Depot. So let's see here, Home Depot affiliate program. We're going to click Home Depot affiliate program right here. All right. With commissions from Home Depot affiliate program. Look at that. Earn money by joining our affiliate network. Okay. And you can just simply press this sign up now button right here, and it's loading. And look at this. It says complete application. And look how simple this is, guys. You just fill this out. Tell them how you're going to be marketing their products, okay? And that's it. You in there. You just submit application and then just wait for them to accept you. Amazon got an affiliate program. So that's another one, guys. Let's just say you want to do Amazon affiliate marketing. You can simply press that sign up form right there, and then you can start earning commissions through Amazon products. Now, the great thing about Amazon is that just about everyone you know have an Amazon account. And so the greatest thing is when you start promoting Amazon products, people normally don't think twice to click through and go ahead and buy, because Amazon is a well-trusted website. Okay, so The greatest thing is you can find the product that you want to market, just like we showed you right here inside of the dog niche. Okay, let's just say you was in a dog niche and you created a dog TikTok account, let's just say. All right, you can simply just go on Amazon affiliate program and type in and find an affiliate, and you can start marketing through there as well. Okay guys, so here I am on Amazon affiliate marketing, and once you sign up and get accepted, you will have a screen just like this. And I don't do too much affiliate marketing on Amazon, okay? So I'll just show you guys just how easy it is to get an affiliate product from Amazon affiliate marketing. So we'll go ahead and type dogs here, just because we're talking about dogs right now in the dog niche. Okay, now you see dog books and dog this, dog that, dog cages. Let's just say I wanted to sell this high ticket furniture style dog crate. Okay, so all you would do right here is press get link. So what you want to do is you just want to go to text only. Okay, so you just go to text only, and then right here at the bottom you can see a standard link, which is super long, and then they have a short link. Okay, and what you want to do is you just want to copy this, take it to your TikTok profile that you created. Let's just say it's dogs, because we're talking about the dog niche right now. You can actually take that link and you can paste it right here where they have this link right here. And what's going to happen is you will be able to see how many people click through your link just like this. Okay, as you can see here, 4 people click, 4, 3 people here, 3, 6, 6. And right here I actually made a commission of $3 right here, and right here I made a commission of $6. And you can actually see all of this information because people are actually clicking through your Amazon link. And that's just how simple it is to get into affiliate marketing with absolutely no website. Now, if you do all of these steps right, guys, you will be able to make money just like I'm showing you on the screen right now. And just in case you guys are wondering if this is just a screenshot, I'll go ahead and refresh this right now so you guys can actually see. So I just refreshed it. It says no money in. This is a past PayPal account that I no longer use, but this is one of the affiliate accounts, okay? And so in the last 90 days, as I just switched it, you see $9,156 in money out. And this is the current balance right here, guys. So if you guys want to make money like this on affiliate marketing, you don't even need a website. This is all of the steps that I have just shown you. That's all you need to do. Now that brings us to the end of this tutorial. So if you like this video and you think you're going to give it a try, make sure you give this video a like and write down in the comments section what you like best. And as always, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications, because you're not going to want to miss any of my upcoming videos showing you ways to make money online. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later.